What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Wisdom Works at it again. Just here with a quick little video here. Two things I'm gonna do really quick. Well, actually three things. One, I'm going to replace my tour lock. My lock on my tour pack that I got from Advanblack. Like most of you know, when you make that purchase from Advanblack, that it comes with a separate key that does not match the key that that comes with your bike for the saddlebags. So if you go through Harley-Davidson, like I know most of you all probably already know, you can get it keyed to the VIN. You can get the lock, actually order a whole new lock that's actually keyed for your VIN so that your stock accessory key or saddlebag key will work your tour pack lock once you replace it out. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show that to you, and then I got a surprise that I want to show you that I think will add aesthetically to the bike as well as serve a function as well. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with the engine and the oil. Be right back at you. Let's explore and see what's in this box. As you can see, it is the Figurati Performance Oil and Transmission Magnetic Dipstick Kit. Excited about it. So that's a real simple install. You just take out the old and put in the new. But of course, you know that this has the magnetic pieces inside that will allow for those foreign particles, those metal pieces and shavings and all that kind of good stuff to attract to the to these pieces, so it won't stay in your engine, causing engine damage and all that good stuff, all that bad stuff, I should say, all that horrible stuff. You don't want that stuff to interfere with the performance and the work of your engine. So serves a good function, as well as it's aesthetically pleasing as well with the red pieces there. So I'm gonna get started with the tour lock. I'm not gonna show that part because there's a million videos on that. But pretty much, let me go to the bike. But pretty much, the only thing you have to do is open your latch lever here, and then there are two screws in there that come out. And this piece right here, this piece will come out, and you replace it with your piece that you get from Harley, which in my case is right there. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that part, and I'll come back to you in just a minute. Okay, to take those screws out was simple. Right here, these are the two screws, and that's the lock. That's the old lock, and I'm going to replace it with this new lock here. So repeat the process, or reverse the process with the new locks, with the new lock, and put it in, and with the same two screws, and you're in business. So let's get to the final product. Okay, once you replace those two screws back in with the new lock, the only thing I did was, like I said, took those two screws and put it in on the new lock. So once I close it down, which I do with one hand, and then lock it, or close it into place, my old key, my Harley-Davidson key should now work this tour pack lock. And it works. Real simple. Really simple. Now I'm back in business. Now I can take off of my fob, I can take the two keys off and just keep my Harley-Davidson key on there. So that was the Advanblack key right there. But now I can just use the the HD key right there on my tour pack. So that's one thing down, two more to go. Let's get there. Like I said, it's super simple today. We're keeping it super simple today. The tour pack lock. Now we're getting ready to transition over here to the dipstick, the magnetic dipstick. Let's open that together though. Be right back. Let's open that together. All right. Let's see what we get here. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm working with one hand, y'all. And normally I put gloves on. Just removing the first thing, which is the oil dipstick. And I have that loose. Get some paper towels. I have removed the dipstick. I needed both of my hands to do it, so to get it out. Here's the new one. So I'm just gonna come over here, put the new one in. Make sure I'm not cross-threading and it's in there tight. There you go. And I love the way it looks. Oh my goodness. See the red, all the red little pieces there to add touches to it. That looks good. So let's move on to the transmission. And right here, I need a 3/8 to remove this right here. So let me get my 3/8 tool and get that bad boy out. Okay, I have my 3/8 tool, my hex right here. So I'm just gonna stick it in here. There it is. Okay. Then I'm gonna attempt to do this. I don't know what my tripod is, y'all. If the brick, super simple. I just want to get to the point where I can actually do it by hand. Let's do this. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. See, I can get enough leverage on it. Yep. And then I can just take it out. Just like that. Let me get my paper towel. What did I do with my paper towel? I needed a hand again, so, but it's the new dipstick right here, or transmission stick. Get that in there. Make sure you're not cross-threading. All right, I got them both in there. I had to cut the camera off for a minute and use two hands. You have to make sure that you're not cross-threading. For some reason on this transmission one, it's on an angle slightly, so you got to make sure that when you're screwing it in that you're not cross-threading and that you're going in properly with it. So I did that because I don't want to cause no damage. I took my time with it, but it was still super simple. You just had to use two hands on it to make sure. But other than that, man, that's three simple things real quick. Like I said, the tour pack lock, which is now keyed to my VIN on my, that comes along with my motorcycle, as well as the oil dipstick and the transmission stick, which is magnetic. So it will attract those particles, those foreign metal particles, and keep it from destroying your engine and all that bad stuff. So just a quick video, just some added touches. Let me step away from the bike and see. Can I get far away enough from it to see the pieces I'm talking about? So I like the way that red sticks out in there. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Sometimes it's the simple things that you do to your bike that just brings it out. You know, you can go out there and buy HD, and I don't care what year it is, but you know, they all are gonna be the same until you put your touch on it and do your personalized things on it. I got some more things coming, some bigger, some smaller, but my thing is to keep doing something to it, not to overdo it, but to do tasteful things and to do things that are, I think, that add class and pizzazz to the bike. So It's your boy Dwizzle Works, man. I appreciate all the support and everything. Comment, like, subscribe below. If you have any questions about anything that I've done today, like I said, it was super simple stuff, but I think it was key things that I did today. For number one, you know, I don't have to walk around with 2 keys for my saddlebags and my tour bag. You know, I can have just 1 key. And I'm excited about that. It's the simple things. It's the small things that get you excited sometimes. And then I just like the way that oil stick and that transmission stick right there just stand out on the bike like that. So until next time, and in between time, it's your boy Dwizzle Works. Like I said before, I would appreciate the support. If you just comment, like, subscribe to this video or to this channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Any questions, anything, just drop them down below. It's your boy out. Peace.